Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix frozen screen in your AI plus smartphone. So let's start friends. If your screen is sometimes not working, it's feel like a frozen and it is not working, how you can fix it? So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings. For first you have to just clear cache all of your apps data, uninstalled unuseful apps, applications, your data like documents, photos and videos. Then go to apps, click on these see all 54 apps and reset your app preference. Then second you have to click on each of the apps that are consuming more and more storage. Just tap on here, clear cache and clear data, and that will fix your mobile phone for lagging and heating. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.